Sorry that you probably can't hear me because Dan's mowing, but this is just a walkthrough of our garden. This is the garden of tomato and zucchini. These are tomatoes. That's manure, horse manure that we got. Some more tomatoes. These are eggplant. These are eggplant. We're still working on the garden, so it's a little bit messy right now. Down here we got all kinds of peppers, pepper plants. Zucchini. Spaghetti squash. Then these two rows with the cages are tomatoes. And then all along the end over there with the cages, that's tomatoes. Let's walk over to the other garden. Here's Sadie, the neighbor's dog. She comes over to play. That cross is memorial for our two dogs that passed away. Got to get that area cleaned up yet for the summer and put all their stuff back out. That's Jake, the other neighbor's dog. He's pretty old. He's a good boy. Junk pile. This garden is zucchini. Hope you can see it because of the light, but zucchini. So I'll give you a little shot of my neighborhood here. Walking through my yard. There's our boats that we don't use because I won't go on a boat, so he won't use them. This is the back. This is part of our yard and the neighbor's yard, but we all share it. Then there's this road, and that's the view of over there. There's houses and stuff over there. Firewood, our fire pit and picnic table over there. Oh, there it is, picnic table. Neighbors' houses. Sky. These are just two junk vehicles that need to be gotten rid of, but he wants them for parts, so they'll be here for a while. That house over there with the house and all the buildings, it's for sale. Nice little old farmhouse. It's jungle grass. It'll turn green eventually. Burn barrel, our little tree. View of the other garage in the back of our house. Oh, there goes Sadie, neighbor's dog. She comes over to play. But anyway, hope you can hear me because of all the noise. So once we get it cleaned up for the summer, I'll do a better walk around with not so much noise. So. There's Dan mowing on the side that we were just on the Dixie chopper. And there's Brutus. He's the other neighbor's dog. So, anyways, hope you guys have a good day.